So the other day, I got a mysterious email with the subject line that read, "Video idea you might be interested in." Not gonna lie, like with the Rocket League mods thing, I have grown just a wee bit skeptical of ideas from viewers. Now don't get me wrong, I've made some great videos directly from viewer ideas, like Rocket League Mafia. Trust me, I love you guys. But still, video idea I think you might be interested in didn't exactly pop out to me. But I opened it anyway. It was from a guy named Melt, a grand champion since Season 8, who had a pretty big claim. He said he had met a Champ 2 player and came to discover that this player was 9 years old. From there on, it became Melt's mission to make him the youngest GC in the world. Well, it turns out Henry, this is Henry by the way, was the ideal candidate because the kid learned fast. After just a week of grinding in ranked, the kid had not only reached GC, but obtained his Season 12 GC title and rewards. Now you might be thinking, well, it sounds like Melt just boosted Henry to GC. And I was thinking the same thing could be true. But Melt insisted in the email that Henry had picked up things so quickly in GC lobbies that he's confident he'll be at that rank with or without Melt. Now so far, the youngest GC that I've heard of is the 12-year-old from Flump's video from a while back. So obviously, at 9 years old, Henry kind of beats this guy out by a few years. I had to find out if he really was a GC, so I decided to do exactly that. Let's give him the ultimate test. Let's make him queue up some doubles with me, because we all know I ain't carrying anybody. If anything, I need to be carried. My whole strategy is to get carried. If we could win some games together, I think it would prove quite a bit about this young protege. In other words, I'm gonna A, find out if this story is true, and B, queue up together to see if he really is at a GC level. So first things first, I needed to meet Henry's parents before I included someone that young in a YouTube video. Well, turns out Henry's dad is actually awesome and super involved with Henry's gaming.
Demo me again, you're grounded.
His name is Trent, and he's actually a solid Rocket League player himself. So I hopped in a private lobby with Melt, Trent, and Henry to get to know them a bit first.
Let's do chaos.
Chaos? Should we? Yeah.
2 hours later.
Man, I don't know if we can get a chaos match. So let's just use a private lobby. Wait, Henry, do you carry your dad? You guys play together?
Not that much. I asked him if he wants to play a ton of times. He doesn't say anything about
it. Just ignores you. Like, son, don't talk about that.
Yeah, I was really conscious of hurting his rank. I super didn't want to hurt his rank, and he kept telling me, nope, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll rank back up.
That's actually kind of how I met Colonel Wong back in the day. He carried me to like Champ 1 for the first time back in Season 3. Back when Henry was like 2 years old, probably. You know, I was thinking about it, and if you wanted to be an RLCS, you'd still have to wait 6 more years. That's crazy.
The game's gonna be dead by then.
You have 6 years. Okay, so you ran into each other in ranked, but like, and then you just played really well and decided to party up, or like, how did it happen?
Yeah, I asked him if he wanted to do comms. He was like, sure. We just started talking, and I noticed he was pretty young. As I started like giving him tips and stuff, like he was improving a lot, and like he's a pretty quick learner.
I've been oh dang it. I've been trying to coach Henry as much as I could, but you know, me being terrible, I have no idea about the nuances at that level. And once Mel started mentioning those little things that I had no clue about, but it makes a huge difference.
When did you get the white octane?
Oh, my dad got it for my birthday.
No,
like
that's
a couple
so awesome.
of years ago.
That is the best gift ever. That's sick.
Yeah, right?
We should just queue ranked, Henry.
Alright.
Let's play some 2s. We had one problem though. The competitive season literally ended last week, making the timing of this video about as bad as possible. After placement matches, even the best players in the game are placed below Grand Champ, and it takes a couple weeks for mid and low GCs to get back up. Even high GCs take a bit. For instance, Musty, who's obviously a very high level player, only just got back there. So hopefully you're getting my point that in this video, we're basically GCs, but we're not, actually GCs. Totally legit. Anyway, turns out both Henry and I were currently Champ 2. So we made it our goal to get to Champ 3. So without further ado, here's how it went. Do you play more 2s or 3s?
Play 2s. I haven't played 3s in a long time.
Yeah, I don't play much 3s either. Nice demo. Almost had him. Oh! Oh, what a save! That pass was nuts. Oh. Almost dunked me so hard. Oh!
Oh!
I have no idea how that went in. Have you heard people talking about like left goes?
Not really.
Yeah. Some people know it, some... I don't know why it's I only do it because Verge does it. Nice. You know Verge, the other YouTuber?
No, I don't
Coach
think
guy?
so.
He's the coach of Dignitas. Wait, do you watch?
Oh.
Do you watch like the pros and stuff? Do you watch RLCS?
Yeah.
Oh my! What?
Oh, man.
That was so weird. Let's go. I don't even know what happened. I had ball cam on. Just shadowing. Did Melt tell you about like shadow defense, or do you know about shadow defense? Have you heard that? Yeah. I guess that's kind of a basic thing. Like if Rocket League's still around for like 5 or 6 years, you've literally like grown up playing Rocket League. That's kind of crazy. Oh, I got dunked. All good, you faked him. What a save! Oh my! You're seriously like nuts with the saves. Oh no, I'm in a rule number 1. Dang it! Where's time for that? It's off. Ooh. Good save. Or clear. Good try, I saw what you're trying to do there. Ooh, close. That's a nice catch. Just gonna take it up and around. Let's go. Yes!
Nice shot.
That was a perfect kickoff. Ooh. Yes, great kill.
This is fun to watch.
Yeah, these are intense games. Nice shot. Accurate. Oh, you had him in no man's land too. You didn't know what to do. Oh, what? Is that in? You're a god. Oh, that was the perfect. That was the 50 of my life. He's gone.
Wow.
See ya. Oh, that was like the best 50 of my life. Hey, champ 3. Okay, now we gotta get me there.
Alright.
Easy.
Then am I next? Another boost.
No.
Oh.
Oh no. What? How do we save that? Oh my god. I'm gonna have a compilation of just the nuttiest saves from this play session. Nice! On the counter! That was insane. I have no idea how. Wow. Nice. Let's go!
Nice shot.
This is Rocket League! Yeah, it's kind of a basic shot for that. Perfect clear on a platter. I was so nervous I was gonna miss that wide open net. It was so perfect.
I think they just realized who it was.
Wait, did they say something?
Yeah, in the in-game chat.
Let's go!
Is that SunlessKhan? Nice shot.
That's funny. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it's just weird that I can't see it. Oh, you're nuts. He's a god.
Thanks.
Dagger. Dude, we were down 1 with 20 seconds left. And now we're up 2. The backboard read. That was a good one. I thought we were down and out. Going for a demo. Got him! Let's go!
What a play.
Oh, I can't believe that worked. I missed. I got it. Try to pressure them. Let's go! We did it!
Great pass.
Oh,
Great
what a
shot.
comeback. This session has been crazy, man. We've had some awesome comebacks. I must be so close. I have to be so close. Are you down to play another one, Henry?
Yeah.
You down?
Yes.
All right. All right, let's do it. But I'm gonna try to come out strong and not get in a situation where we have to come back this time.
He's good.
Okay. Oh, let's go.
Oh, nice shot.
I don't know how I got that. Perfect challenge. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, wish that could have been more to you, but... Oh, no! Oh, we're so close. Yes! We did it again! We can't be stopped in the last 10 seconds. Henry died for that. Ooh, boomer. Nice, I got it. Let's go.
You guys.
They just want to save each other. You could have scored that. I'm sorry. I just went. Just went after it like a madman. There it is. Serious clutch. Mr. Clutchness. That's your new nickname, Henry. Mr. Clutchness. Yeah, thanks for being cool and hanging out, guys.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you for doing this. And yeah, thanks for playing with Henry. This was a blast.
Hey, maybe we could try to get Chaos sometime. Maybe we'll actually get a Chaos game in. Well, we're added, so maybe we should just hit me an invite. Maybe you can carry me back to GC. That'd be perfect.